Hey guys! Welcome back to our shadowing series. Today we're practicing ordering coffee. No textbooks, just speak along with me. Get ready. Let's go. Hi. What can I get you?
Can I get a latte?
Sure. For here or to go?
To go, please.
Got it. Anything else?
That's it. How much?
That'll be $5.
Here. Keep the change.
Thanks. Take a seat.
Is it coming up?
Yes. Ready in a jiffy.
Sweet. Much appreciated.
And now, let's learn the key phrases and use them immediately. 1. Can I get?
Can I get?
Use this to order something politely. Listen and repeat after the ting. Can I get?
Can I get?
Two, for here or to go.
For here or to go?
You will hear this every time. Listen and repeat after the ting. For here or to go.
For here or to go?
Three, keep the change.
Keep the change.
Use this to give a small tip. Listen and repeat after the ting. Keep the change.
Keep the change.
Four, take a seat.
Take a seat.
Staff use this while you wait. Listen and repeat after the ting. Take a seat.
Take a seat.
Five, is it coming up?
Is it coming up?
Use this to check your order. Listen and repeat after the ting. Is it coming up?
Is it coming up?
Six, in a jiffy.
In a jiffy.
It means very soon or right away. Listen and repeat after the ting. In a jiffy.
In a jiffy.
Seven. Much appreciated.
Much appreciated.
A cooler way to say thank you. Listen and repeat after the ting. Much appreciated.
Much appreciated.
Now, let's practice with a role play and switch roles. Role play 1. I will be A. You will be B. Let's talk. Hi. What can I get you? Sure. For here or to go? Got it. Anything else? That'll be $5. Thanks. Take a seat. Yes. Ready in a jiffy. Role play 2. Now, you will be A, and I will be B. Your turn.
Can I get a latte? To go, please. That's it. How much? Here. Keep the change. Is it coming up? Sweet. Much appreciated.
You did amazing. Now, you can confidently order coffee in English. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Beaten Win channel. See you in the third video.